Hi, welcome back. It's streaming day, so I'm gonna stream. That's how this works. I even got my little drink again this time, and with protein powder because that's the thing I'm doing now. I'm doing protein. I'm doing the protein powder thing now. That's me. That's who I am. I decided. Uh, there was barely any ice left because somebody took the ice and didn't put new water into the ice thing. Someone's gonna get yelled at this evening when he comes back, but it's fine. Other news include I finished a new project, a mini project, which is this hairband that I'm wearing. It's my first Zoe project. It's glittery, it's sparkly, it's everything. It's great. Um, and then there's another thing I gotta say, which is that I was mistaken about how this whole ads thing works. I kind of I kind of thought I could just turn them off, but apparently if I turn my ads off, Twitch will run their ads anyways. And like the minimum of ads I have to run is like 3 minutes of ads per hour, something like that. And then Twitch won't run the ads. It's so stupid. So I guess the ads are back. I'm so sorry. I thought I could stop the ads, but no, the ads are happening. Also, I forgot that to get my chat. Let's put it here. No. Okie dokie. I guess I'm gonna get started. Starting stuff is so hard. I hate starting stuff. Okay, so on the list of today's activities, we have the whole building system I have is from a tutorial that I followed, and I need to like check it out, like look at it better so I can start modifying it because I don't like how it works. And then I need to adjust it the way I want. And that's all the ideas I have. But I think I'm gonna get on many side quests anyways. So that's all yeah, you get the point. Um, so let us go. I'm starting to timer, so we're gonna start working, and that includes you. Boom, timer. Okay, let's start. Let's do what I do every time I open Unity again, which is completely useless, but I still like obviously useless things are the best anyways, the most fun. So let's do the useless tradition, which is to just just hit the play button. Like what? It's literally there. Why would you not? Let's play the game. Oh my god, so many choices. Oh my god. I can't open the campaign because it has nothing. I want at some point I'm gonna have to add feedback and like little tool tips and messages. But I feel like that's gotta be a whole system and I have to set it up in an in a smart way and I don't like that. So I guess we're not doing that. And now we can open the campaign. So now there's people coming. Oh wow, amazing. Amazing. Do you also like to just like if we have a game with a like a gaudy camera control, you just do this all the time? Obviously, I need to adjust the values. They're all from the tutorial I used. It doesn't fit my scale right now. I don't even know if my scale is right. Is my scale even correct? Usually I typically try to make the scale correct. That would be worth trying out. Anyways. Yeah, that's enough of that. Okay. I guess. Also, I want this F thingy, obviously. But for all of this, I will have to look up because for everything, literally, yeah. Also, I don't even need this cube. This is a spawner, but I don't like thinking. Oh, okay. Here's the thing. I want to get rid of this button. I don't want this button. I want the building barges to be here. I want the barges to be here. Also want to get rid of the erase button. I want to do that differently, but we'll see. And I just want people to be able to click on it, and when they click on it, the whole building state gets activated. And the way we deactivate, how do we currently deactivate it? I forgot already. So this gets activated, blah 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 blah, and then we press on it, and it's deactivated. I want it to be deactivated on escape. I think it's already, which it already is, but also on right click. Because I feel like that might be intuitive. Obviously, that's all. Right click doesn't currently do anything, so that's good. And escape does that too already. So I just need to get rid of the build button. So let's first see, to get rid of it, if it's what function is gonna ruin this for us. Building access is what I call it. Input manager, building set active. So what is this doing? I just realized I have a building manager, but I do input manager, and I do input stuff everywhere. That's kind of, I think that should, I should be changing that. But that's not, it's early. We're early. We don't have to make anything pretty. We want to work, we want to get it to work first. Ooh. By the way, the other day, last stream, I was so smart. Someone said that my Chrome wasn't sharing the music, so I was like, hey, I should just turn on desktop audio, that will fix it. And I turned it on for the rest of the stream, and guess what? My stream was muted. Obviously, I don't know, for some reason I forgot that I had Spotify. Anyways, that's fun. Buildings had active, okay. Oh god, okay, that's a bit of untangling I'll have to do, I just realized. Okay, so this first thing I'm realizing is I want this building group to always be interactable. So this line doesn't worry me. Now, for this one, I'm kind of worried. Where am I using this? Bruh. Using it way too much. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I don't think this is gonna be necessary. Set, and I'm gonna set it is in building mode. I think that makes more sense now. And I want that to happen when they click on one of the other buttons. How do I even do that? Oh god, I did not think this through. So, okay. What even happens here? No, how do I? Is anything using that? All right. What am I doing? Ah, obviously. Yeah, that was silly of me. Man, I hate refactoring and changing stuff. What? Come on, don't be silly. All I did. Oh my god. Oh, I changed the name. I've come across this problem before. I keep forgetting that I need to reconnect it. Uh. You know, the interesting thing is, when I press this button, I invoke it, but when I press escape, I don't invoke it. I'm pretty sure that's oh, what? I don't know where this is coming from. It was, again, like, there was an almost 1 year long pause between me working on this. Silly stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this, but first I need to... It's in building mode. It's gonna be used quite often. Also, this one is not used at all. So let's see what happens if I just remove it from everywhere. Right, but then I will have to get rid of it in here. I know that this is the kind of thing that people write tests for, but I'm not there. Definitely not. But I will have a course on testing, not the coming semester, but the semester after that. And I just know that once I learn about this unit test thingy, I will want to put it everywhere because that's just the kind of person I am. Like if I learn a new word, I will try to use it several times a day. That's just who I am. Okay, so I'm so glad that we got this to work last time. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's good that I removed that, so it's fine. The only problem now is isn't built-in mode, because I'm using that a bunch. For example, in the wait a minute. I'm pretty sure that this navigator script I'm not even using anymore. Oh, but this one is definitely being used. Hello, Dictator Tiger, how are you doing? I just started, so I don't know how it's going. I'm taking on to change some part of my system, and that's always difficult. Especially because I barely have any game dev experience. So I'm still in this rough stage of having to Google a lot. Right, great. Me, I am still fine. Ask me in 2 days, and I will not longer be fine because that's when my uni will start. And when I have to get up at 6, which I hate. And then I have to get to bed earlier, which I also hate. To get the sleep, enough sleep that I don't fall asleep during the day. Because last year at uni, I very, very frequently fell asleep during the course. And that's pretty bad. That was pretty bad. No, don't worry, you will persevere. I hope so. Also, I hope. Because another thing that happened that I'm most scared of, last year, I was streaming around this time last year, and then uni happened, and then boom, I just stopped. So I'm scared that it will happen again. Because I was so distressed and tired. I'm not a morning person either. I wake up drained. Yeah, because you're sleeping. That's already a thing that you're doing. I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know if I can keep up twice a week, but we will see. One of these days is pretty surely going to be Saturday. And I think that's manageable. Especially if I go to sleep early. And one good point. Last year, there was like this phase where I was playing Overwatch until late at night for a very, very long time. And it's no longer this big thing. Like the Overwatch phase for me is kind of coming to an end. So I could just replace it by going to sleep. I think I secretly work in my dreams, but I forget when I wake up. Yeah, that sounds like a good theory. I mean, technically, the brain does process things, and processing is hard. Ask my PC when I'm trying to play Spectre Divide, which I can't. But yeah, Overwatch, it is fun, but it's not fun alone. For me. And I think my usual group is kind of moving on, so for me, myself, I just usually don't. If I have free time on my hand, I don't usually go to a video game. I go to a project, which is good because then I'll have something that I productively wise worked on, and that will feel nice in the long run. I play alone since none of my friends play it. Sad. Yeah, that is sad. Because it's so much fun playing with friends. It's so cool. It's such a nice way to pass time. I need to get rid of this navigator script because it's confusing me. I'm gonna put it in jail, actually. And that's not a joke. I have a jail script. Wait, is it already in jail? It is already in jail. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this so I don't get confused by these scripts. I know there's different ways of doing this, but I don't want to delete it. I'm against the death penalty for scripts. It's just, yeah. Now it's gone. Okay. Now I need to get rid. Look after this. Okay, here, this is actually being used. This is quite interesting. So if it's not in building mode, return. I wonder what happens if I don't do this. Can't wait. I love causing chaos. And click and drag I have to do, but I really don't know how to do it. But I will try to find out how to do it. Okay, I left building mode. I'm open to camping. The pathfinding is working. Also, the tutorial I watched for the camera movement only did with the mouse wheel. I'm pressing the middle mouse wheel right now. Left, right, but I want it to be orbiting. I do not know how to do that, but I'll just try to figure it out. Wait, what was I trying to test even? Okay, let me try to test my usual stuff to see if my usual stuff works. See, now they do that thing. I don't know what that is, but they... Ooh, look at this. Look at this. I can cause mayhem. I should probably not be able to cause mayhem. That should not have a collision, but... Or whatever this is. No. Okay. I really do want... Okay, does it even... Yeah, it does get called, obviously, because... It's not in building mode. I just keep it like this. Oh, what else? Where else? Okay, this seems quite important, actually. This does seem quite important. No, I don't think I can just comment that one out. I really did not want to have to figure out how to call this function otherwise. It's in building mode. Okay, I'll have to figure out something else. No, I'm not gonna do it the way though. Okay, I could do this. Uh, I have no idea what to call that. This. Okay, what happens if I click the button? I click the button. Oh god. On shop item click. Oh, that's pretty good. It calls a shop method. That's interesting. The more you learn about yourself, about your past self. Oh no, this is this weird singleton thing again. Oh my god. I'm literally doing it every single time I do one. I make it initiated differently. It's pain. I need to clean that up, and it's boring. I don't want to clean it up. I don't want to clean it up. But I have to. On shop item clicked. Okay, now this is my idea. This function and this all of this is the tutorial person. Who was the tutorial person even? I think it was Sunny Valley Studio. Have a lot of he have a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Very, very, very good content. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out what I did here. Okay, this is... Oh, this is pretty good, actually. What if I just do it here? This is not a real input manager, actually. Like, what even is this script? Okay, now I need to do something when I leave, which is when I hit escape. Or when I... I lost my train of thought. What was I even saying? I was listening to the song and I noticed a word that I just learned yesterday on one of my numerous Japanese apps. And I was thinking, oh, what's that word? And then I remembered. But now, what was I saying earlier? Oh, I have to set it to false again when I escape out of this building mode. Okay, where is this? Exit. To do leave building mode. Thank you. Is there another exit? Oh my god. Camera controller. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. What even is this now? Okay, I'm annoyed. I need to figure out the shortcut. How to go back to previous function in Microsoft Visual Studio. Ah, light mode. Why? Why light mode? Oh my god, how do I turn this off? It's gross. My god, that was so painful. Again, okay. Oh no, I forgot the sentence I googled. So Visual Studio. What did I want to Google? Man. Sometimes I think I need ADHD medication. Microsoft Visual Studio. How to get back to previous function shortcut. Because I know that there is one. Someone taught it to me once and I forgot. Oh, navigate backward. Control minus? Is that it? Let me try this out. Which minus, actually? Oh my god, this is revolutionary. Okay, but what's the other thing that I wanted to... Okay, control minus. Control minus. Oh my god, this is so amazing. What is this? No. Okay, usually my focus is not that bad as today, but it's so bad today. I forgot again what I was doing. Escape. Something with the escape. I need to find the others. Okay, here. Here, we're leaving the building mode, I'm pretty sure. But just to be safe. Debug log. Leave building mode. I don't know if this is the right place, but I hope that we are. No, actually, we are. If we are in... Oh yeah, if we are in... That makes sense. It does make sense. Let's try it here too. Also, what are these actions? I think this building input manager came all from the tutorial. See, I love following tutorials because otherwise I would take ages to figure out, and it did teach me a lot. But it does make me feel like my whole code base is just like a big patchwork thingy, and then I have to adapt it to whatever I also want to create, probably with other tutorials. It's a mess. But let's try if everything is as I thought it was. Oh no, I'm still in this weird halfway implementation. Oh, I just think that it is because they are set as not interactable, and I'm never setting them as interactable. Okay, this should be it. Okay. Now this button should not do anything. And then I should be doing this. Leaving building mode, leaving building mode, leaving building mode, leaving building mode. Why did this zoom me out? Leaving building mode, leaving building mode, leaving building mode. Okay. Escape. Did this give me another leaving building mode, or are we just continuously leaving the building mode now? This gave me another leaving building mode. Okay. Okay, I guess. I don't think this is perfect, but it might be good enough. Let's hope that everything works now as it's supposed to. Oh, there's an ad starting soon, apparently. Sometimes I forget to check my OBS and all of my stuff. I'm so sorry. But I think Twitch will run them if I don't run them. Ah, damn, I forgot my train of thought again. Oh, I was trying to test. I need to. No. This will piss me off. Oh, I already deleted it. Okay. Okay, this is obsolete. Hopefully I can delete it or put it in jail. And then boom 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 boom. And then escape, and then we're gone. I need to remove this. Actually, that's just a debug mesh. I need to remove this. It's kind of hurting me. Open the camping. Okay, I think everything works. Spawn debug. Oh no. What is this weird diamond thing and why does it keep opening? Spawn. Ah, damn, I use that word a lot. That's so many spawns. No, I ruined it. Preview message is what I called it. Wait. Grid system again was from a tutorial, but I added functions like these and node stuff. All the node stuff I added. That's what I love. That I like that. Quite like that accomplishment because I didn't watch a tutorial for the A star. I just looked at Wikipedia. What's the name again? Pseudocode. I just looked at Wikipedia pseudocode and I just did it. Admittedly, that was quite easy because pseudocode is quite direct. But still. And I use my handy dandy shortcut and get back here. I love this. Control minus absolute best. Why did I not think of it? I also control click to do this. I always knew this. Why did I not? Anyways. I am going to be doing this. Wait. This is just deleting the preview message. I might want to... No. No, that's not what I wanted. This just deletes the preview meshes, but I need to find the function that adds the preview meshes. Create preview meshes. This is the function I need to get rid of. Oh yeah. Let's hope this is enough. Because I think my pathfinding is fine. That's why it's called pathfinding. I'm very sorry. Oh no. I'm still creating them somewhere. Look at these, all the previews. Sorry for the noise. Somewhere here I'm still making them. Okay, I'm not playing this, but somewhere I'm still creating them. Create new nodes. Nope, that's. I'm gonna keep that. Nodes are important. Create preview mesh. Here I'm still making them. I'm not gonna delete it because if I need to take adjustments to the pathfinding, I will want to. I need to remember the ads thing. I don't want to accidentally forget about it. Apparently it's gonna happen in 20 minutes. I need to stop obsessing over it. Stop mentioning that. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I just feel bad. Okay. Okay. Only without my. I was speaking Luxembourgish. Without my little preview meshes. Ooh. No. Oh, I need to. All of those functions that I still haven't done, that I need to integrate with a system into a system I didn't build. I think that's probably a life I will lead for a long time once I leave uni and get a job, but working on stuff I didn't make. But I will have to add rotation to this. If I keep the grid, I might even feel funky in a few months and be like, let's get rid of the grid. But for now, I'm doing the grid because it's easier. And then I will have to add rotation. I also want to spawn this not at the bottom left corner because it bothers me. Here it's fine, but here it's weird having to measure it. I think I want to do it in the center or somewhere. Oh, I need to... Okay, before I forget, I will forget. My brain is a nuisance. I need to put it in the to-do. Make preview mesh spawn at center. And then add a checklist so it looks better. Okay. What else did I think? Why did I even play test? Let's do it again. I did this. Am I playtesting for no reason again? Because that is one of my faults. I'm just testing to see if nothing's broken. Oh, this isn't working. That's interesting. This isn't working anymore. Okay, we have something that's not working. Also, if I click these, the camera thing does something because, which I don't like. I need to remove it. I don't like that, so we are getting rid of it. Well, I hate when it does that. Like, let me work. Like, chill. Okay, I probably did something wrong. I did do something wrong. Yeah, no, never mind. I did fuck up. Never mind. But my point still stands. It still does that when it shouldn't. Mm. This was a side quest again. Oh, the button doesn't. That's what I wanted to check. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Start removing. So if I click that, start removing. Are you kidding me? Bro, what is wait, did you, okay, this pisses me off. Why does it keep changing? Is it a button? That is it something that I don't know. Why does this keep changing? I wanna sorry, I'm complaining a lot right now. It's just it's the like in the coding. It comes with the territory, I feel like. Okay, so I press this button and it doesn't work. Let's see. Let's start figuring out. Um, it might have to do with these actually, because I changed something in here. But let's just figure out first of all. Start removing. Yo. Man, why does it take so long to make a game? Why can't it be done already? Okay. Okay, it's the events that are not working, I guess. When is it being set in building mode? In the shop. Is in building mode. Yeah, calm down. Calm down, my friend. Calm down, my friend. Alright, I put it back. Wait. I'll put it back. Relax. Okay. Let's see if it does that correctly. Oh, it's still... Relax, my friend. Oh no. Hey, look, it's true. It's true. Yeah, it works. Wait. Has it worked all this time and I hallucinated that it didn't work? No, it does not. Oh! I get it. I get it. I get it. It's obvious at this point. Look, I made this exception. That was fun. Should I fix this button or should I leave it? Because I'm gonna change that mechanic anyways. Because I just want people to be able to click on the object and then to be able to delete it and not to take a deleting brush. Or should I keep the deleting brush and do both? Do people like deleting brushes? I don't know. Maybe let's just fix it for now. I really hope you can't hear me chew. Debug log. No, not debug log. Wait a minute. Input. No, it's not. I'd see if this fixes it. It should, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. I need to make my first break. I feel like. If I don't make many breaks, I can only work for like 2 hours. Oh, this bothers me. Here we go. I need my people. And then see. Ah, yeah, it works. Aha, you're losing your path. You sad, sad person. What if I put the path back? Will you be fine? Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. I still love it. I love it. I love you. I'm so proud of you. You found a path. You found a path. Okay. Calm down. Okay. Here we go. And then the escape. Very important. Ah, what is this? What is this? Go away, please. I don't want to see you. You make me so sad. Is it the building input manager? I think so. No, it's get mouse button down. 1, right? No, come on. Okay. At some point, I will learn some new, fun, new little patterns in school, and then I will refactor all of this. I promise. I'll do it. Maybe. Maybe not. Wait, should it even start off in building mode? Actually, it should not start off in building mode. We'll figure it out. Ah, yes. Isn't that fun? Ah, yes. I love this. My little baby. I am right-clicking, in case you're wondering. Okay. You know, actually, I'm kind of regretting stuff now. It's weird setting this variable like this. There should be one function that turns on building mode and the variable gets set automatically, and one function that ends it and the variable setting it. I'm just gonna put that down, but I don't want to do it now. I hate this. Okay. See, it's in the to-do list. I did everything I could. I am going to take a little break. I'm gonna be going to bathroom, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes or so, and then maybe I'll take a break here, but probably not. I'm bad at that. I'm taking breaks. I set it to 10 minutes, but I'll be back before 10 minutes. Also, I'll run the ad now, so I don't have to do it later. See you soon. I'm returning already. Good morning. It's not even morning here. I don't know why I said that. I am back, so I don't need to have to this text anymore. I am back. Why does this say be right back? I am here. Look, I have these lip glosses that I really love. I don't know why I'm coming up with this now, but I just thought of it. And you know what the best thing about lip glosses is? Apart from the glitter, which is arguably the best part, but also another best part is the smell. Isn't it so satisfying, relaxing, and stimming to have like a nice smell? I love the smell. Right? Gotta be good. I do it halfway because of the smell, halfway because of the glitter. Because glitter, it's so good. Anyways, I think I'm gonna take a breather, so to keep my focus for longer. Because if I take more breathers, then I will have to stop after 2.5 hours. I might still, but I'll see how I feel. It's like I do. I also love these. It's like a coconut nutty snack, and it has chocolate inside of it, like a liquid cream. Yeah, it's really good. No, my bin is gone. I just finished the hairband today. I'm already so scared that all of the segments are gonna fall off. I don't know how. Mm. We have to keep going. But damn, I'm tired. I'm so tired. It's a new work session. So, how far are we? Wait, I did that. I did all that. Remove building system button. The button is still there. But I'll just check it off. But we'll remove the button right away. Otherwise, I will be a liar. Bye. My ticks are worse than usually, I think. Don't like that. Don't love that. It's painful. Oh, right, the click and the drag. Don't forget about the click and the drag. This is so annoying. I have to click every time. I think that's what I'll do next. Wait, actually. Everything good, everything working. All of this, look, he walks back. They walk back. I don't know why they do that. But I don't want to fix it now because I don't know. I just don't feel like it. It is what it is. What is my other to do? You know, to click and drag. Okay, I click. What happens when I click? And what happens when I release? I think that's important to figure out before I want to do the click and drag. So, mouse button unclicked. And then on exit. Oh, no, that's not where I wanted to go. I have to see who subscribed to that. I think there's a way. Probably here. References. Okay. Play structure subscribes to that. I click. I want to drag and put the pass. Okay. Play structure. I click. I want to drag. Keep that in mind. Building pointer over UI. Return. Makes sense. If you can't purchase, also return. Otherwise, mouse position, building input manager gets selected map position. That's the mouse position, that makes sense. Grip position, which is this. Okay, that makes sense. They're just converting that. I need to find out where I cancelled it so I can not, I think. On action. It's so complicated. Okay, keep going. It does all of that. I think I will be quicker if I just analyze on exit. Stop placement. That's good. But who invokes, when does this happen? As the question. It's very important. Oh no, okay. I'm confused. Okay. This is gonna take me a while, I'm telling you. So I do this, and it doesn't. Do it, because it only places, wait. It does place on the click, but then it doesn't. Maybe it's related to the click. On click. I have an idea. It's my... This might cause all sorts of issues, but we'll try to see. Are you telling me that that's all that it took? No. 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 I refuse to... Oh my god. I refuse to believe this. This can't have been this simple. I was scared of this for like for weeks. No. No. I don't believe that. And it even works with the money. Look. It even works with the money. It'll stop when there's no money. Like, oh my god. How was this simple? I am shook. This is weird. This is scarier than when something doesn't work. I just can't. How does it just work? I guess it's probably because the person who made the system, whose tutorial I followed, is probably thought out, well crafted. That's probably why. Oh my god, how is this done already? Like, I can literally just... I know there's not much here, but I'm struggle. Where is the click and drag? Like, I set this as hard. It wasn't. I just needed to change the function. Crazy. I don't have pause yet, actually. So it's still in progress. Wait, no. Let's move on from this. Yeah, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Keep going. Why am I so tired? Why? Okay, well, I guess we can do this. We have to figure out where the preview mesh spawns. And that's the previous system. That's cool. I want to know... all of this. There you go. So this position. Note. Oh, it takes it... This is my fault, I guess. It puts it it spawns it. It grabs it as a node. Wait, no, that is me. That is me. I was confused. That's just me. That's not what I meant at all. Instantiate. That's not what I meant. That's all me. I think that's just me still. That's also just me. It's also my function. It's also my function. Okay, that's tutorial again. Okay. That's not the right one though. Oh, here's the preview. Okay, but now how? You know what? This is not in the code at all. Why did I think it was in the code? It's in the prefab. I'm pretty sure. Like where the origin point is, probably. Probably. Unity. Preview. So if I go, it's here. That's the issue. So if I wanted, I'd have to. What if I did that? I think it would be wrong. Because then it would be, okay, I have suspicions, but I need to confirm the suspicion that this is not gonna work. My suspicion is it's not gonna work. It's gonna fuck it up. Let's hope I'm not right, but I might be. Look, I have my click and drag path now. Wait, actually, this did nothing. It didn't destroy it, like I said, but it also did nothing. Interesting. I guess that did nothing. In that case, it's probably more Unity. I think this is a Unity thing, another C# thing. I need to analyze it more. Start chunk pre-measured instantiate. I need to check out the instantiate method in Unity. These default to the original game object's position and rotation otherwise. Okay, to test this, I'm gonna try this out. So why? I'm gonna try this out to see if this should break. I hope this breaks it. Otherwise, I will have misunderstood. It did. It did break it. That's good. I just wonder now what the white thing is. I need to... Is there a material change that we're also adding that I forgot that we did? I just need to understand it. I think there might be some material stuff we are doing. So when I click on the button, let's go from the start. I click on the button. I click on the button. We get here. Start placement. Enter the new state. I wonder if it is this one. Oha. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. I think the previous stuff should be handled in here. I think it's a material thing. Mm. That does not interest us. Furniture data. Right. This is what we're calling that now. Okay, this is all. I should check out the previous system for all of that. It is a material. I get that. Hmm. Okay, I guess here is a bunch of calculation stuff going, but I'm so bad at that. This is why I did use a tutorial. Sorry for the sound. Had to do it. Okay. Okay, this makes sense. I get that. That's the material thing. Let me actually code talk everything, so I'll This is what that does. Okay. I really wonder what the Saturn indicator is. I think it's just a yeah. I know it's the thing that lights up when I hover over the cell. The feedback. See, this is the thing that I need to analyze. If x size is bigger than 0 or y size is bigger than 0, size of what? Side indicator transform local scalars. Oh, that's... Oh, I didn't know that when I hovered long enough, it would show it. I'm so... Okay, nice. Okay, like, probably because it happens in a previous system, which we are in. What is size? I don't even know. What is size? Oh, it's put here. And now we need to go here to find out what size is. Oh, okay. So size would be this. Right, it's a vector 2. It's a vector 2? Yeah, I guess it is. Vector 2 int. It's a vector 2 int. Right, because of the grid. Duh. Um. I just want to write. No, that's not what I meant. I want to write what it does. To the sun. I know this is some boring stuff, but it has to be done, otherwise I'll forget. Oh, I forgot what I was doing again. Cell indicator. What even is that? What even is a cell indicator? What is this? Oh, is that just like a very flat plane? Is that what that is? Can't see it. Oh, it is a plane. It's not a cube, it's a plane. It's literally a plane. Okay, now that makes sense. I can do pixel art with this. You know, I'm just concerned that it puts like way too many of them. Let me just check that there's just one of them. All right, that's great. All right. Good. Damn, I don't know why it does that. I don't think I'll be able to get it. I do wonder. Okay, let me try this. It doesn't change that. Okay, in order to move it, it needs to be moved half of its size down and half of its size to the side. That should be quite a simple calculation. So why does it seem this unsurpassable to me? I don't know. I'll put this back where it was. And then wherever it says instantiate. You can pass a location. A transform, sorry. Hmm. Let me just try it out. All we need to do, in my opinion, is fuck. Vector to int. That's not gonna work. It's not gonna... Some of them, it can't be halfway. Like, I'm gonna figure this out some other time, because I don't like that right now. I don't like that. I also don't fully comprehend how the snapping works exactly. So, like, I move it, and then it snaps here, and it snaps here, and it snaps here, and it snaps here, and it snaps here. Yeah, no. I think there must be an update position thingy. I think this is kind of what I want to look into if I want to change this. Preview object transform position. It's new vector 3 position. Point X position point Y plus preview offset. What's preview offset? That's interesting. Where are you called? And where does this position come from? Update position, where does this position come from? I think it's the cell to world, or is it world cell to world, or is it world to cell? Cell to world. Oh, it needs to do cell to world, but since it's coming from the cell, it's a vector 2 int, or a vector 3 int. And the grid position gets passed. Yeah, this is way too complicated to me. I don't like that. This comes from, where does this even come from? This comes from here. It's get passed here. Oh my god, this value gets passed all over the place. This comes from here. Comes from here. Place structure. Grid position. Mouse position. We're getting closer. Okay, it's mouse position. Let's put that there somewhere. Okay, now at least I have this. This is what that does. Always understand your tutorials, which is a process you have to do afterwards or before, and which I'm doing right now. Okay, so it comes from mouse position. So I guess if I wanted to move it, but do I want to move it is the question. If I wanted to move it, I could wait until the mouse position. Here we have that. We go to move cursor, then we go to here. So it's like a, what's the word? There's a word in English, but I'm forgetting it. Let me check it out. It's a scavenger hunt. Yeah. Let's go up through the hierarchy, and not really the hierarchy, but you know, the flow movement thingy. Yeah. Great position. Back to the very top, and that is captured by the mouse position, and then afterwards we cast it to a grid position, which is vector 3, and then after that point I could move it. But do I want to? I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I think it's not top priority. Maybe I should make a postponed list here. Postpone. I'll put that here. This is what I'm doing actually. What else want to do today? Because I don't want to do this. It's not my idea of fun. What is the next logical thing? Excel. Come on. Okay, whatever. Should I try to do the pause? I wonder. No. Pause world, because it's not the same as pausing the game. In which I would say that this function also probably should get called, but still. And I'm assuming. Okay, pause is not a wrong word. Let's call it press pause button. No, it's pause or unpause world. I don't know. I'm bad at naming functions. I'm really bad at that. I don't know. Just for now. Let's just see if this even works the way I imagine it, because this is just what I'm assuming based on common sense, but the word isn't always based on common sense. Sorry, to make it more serious. Making more sense here. You have this. It does make sense. It does seem to work. But I did not take into account that it could be any other speed. So let's change this to... I think regular pause buttons are like... No, I should probably record like the previous time scale, right? And then set it to the previous time scale. Then start. I'll do... Yeah, and then... We're just doing this. So if it's not paused, we pause it. Otherwise, we set it to the previous time scale. I don't know if that works, but we'll see if it works. What do you mean? There's no error. Okay, there is an error. Yikes. No, not a new project. Not today. Tomorrow, probably. Okay. Look how quick I am now. Pause. Unpause. Pause. This sets the time scale again, but makes sense that it sets the time scale again. Actually, do I even want it with a button that I press and it switches? I might want a button that's more like there's a normal button and then there's a quick button, like in traditionally, like it's traditionally done in these games. I don't know. I'm gonna take another quick break. Um, damn it. I'm gonna take another quick break, I think, and then I'll see what else I can do. Alrighty. Time for the little break. See you very soon. Welcome back. Let me gather my thoughts. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Hmm. Do you also love fluffy blankets like this one? I love it. I love just carrying it around. I think maybe even this year I might just carry it around in uni. I usually try to act like my parents have raised me, not to call too much attention, but if people are like, why does she take a fluffy blanket to uni? Oh, I don't, maybe I shouldn't care, I want my fluffy blanket. I want my fluffy blanket. I don't know. The only reason why I still wouldn't do it is because it's annoying to carry around. Because I probably have to take a whole other bag to just carry the fluffy blanket. Unless I'm wearing something that is already a fluffy blanket. Oh my god. I did want to learn how to sew, and I just finished my first project because this is sewn. All the sequins are sewn on, and all the pearls are sewn on, and everything. I could sew myself a jacket out of a fluffy blanket. I could just purchase a fluffy blanket and make it a jacket. And then I can just wear it, and then it's like I'm having a jacket, not a fluffy blanket. It's worth thinking about, if you ask me. Okay. How can one be so tired? Oh, I know why. Oh, that might be why. Yeah. I keep forgetting that, but then my body reminds me that I'm on a monthly subscription. It's so annoying. Um. Break time. Another one of these. All right. Okay, that's enough of a break. That's enough of a break. Let's keep going. One last session. One last one. Let us add the button while we're at it. First of all, I hate this button. We add this now, and we make it a horizontal layout group, because I love horizontal layout group. And we add the normal button. We call it normal button. I don't know if we add a third time scale, but it's this one, right? That's the no, the normal one should be No. 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 No! What am I doing? This is this one. That's good. No, come on. I'm so getting confused. And this one should be the normal speed button. Normal speed button. Oh, they're all at the same place. I'm getting so confused. Okay, good. And then we add another one. And this is the pause button. Pause button. So the pause button gets obviously the pause thingy. Why is this so weird? Why does it go off here? I hate this. Pause on pause world. That's good. Normal speed button. I will change these functions. Let's call it set fast speed. And we just do this. And then there's another one that's gonna be like set normal speed. And it's gonna be, look at this. I'm gonna show you something cool. Do this, Alt Control this, and then you just do, I love double cursors. Alrighty. Now we need to reset all of these because it gets disconnected if you change the method name, which I keep forgetting, and then effing myself over. This is the set normal speed. And this is the set fast speed. Okay. There's some boring features, but I think it's better than nothing. Oh, obviously, it can't be so. We need to position this one also. I can't just, yeah. No, here. And then we set you like this. What? I thought that was the parent. The blue thing was the parent. Is the blue thing not the parent? Is the blue thing the sibling? No, the blue thing is not related to that. Yuck. Well, I'm gonna overhaul the whole UI at some point. Probably in a few months. Gonna take long. So anyways, that's not, it doesn't matter. Gosh, I hate UI design. Also gonna have to do a tab menu for the whole building thingy. Because all the management games do that, so I have to do it. You know, obviously, naturally, I don't know. Open capping. Fast forward, speed. Fast forward, speed. Stop. Keep going. Stop. Keep going. Stop. Keep going. Stop. Going. Stop. Keep going. I don't know if it makes sense that if the stop... I don't know if it makes sense that the stop stops it too or not. Because if, like, naturally, if I keep it doing it, the symbol should change. And if it changes to, like, a play button, it will just look like the normal speed. I'm probably gonna have to do some research to see how other games do that. Yeah. I have this. I must say, I don't really like all of these buttons. What else does it need? Should have made a longer to-do list for today. I thought it was gonna take longer for the whole click and draggy thing, which I didn't even put on the to-do list. Oh right, I want to change the movement, camera movement. That's definitely a thing I need to do. Oh, look how cute. No money. And feedback, all sorts of feedback. But I don't know if that's for the polishing thing or not. Oh, do we have some... Oh, we just discovered a bug. If we have no money, we can't erase stuff. That's not good. We should be able to erase stuff. Okay, let's write them down. What was the first thing? Now I forgot the first thing I said. Just 1 minute ago. What's the first thing I said that we needed to... Camera movement, was it? And then we have like the checklist, which is... I want an orbit. Orbit with middle mouse button. Mainly that, yeah. And then bug. I need a bug label. Can't remove objects when money is 0. That's quite a fun little traditional little bug. Buggy bug. Just nice little buggy bug. Let's add label. Let's call label. Oh no, that's not where I customize it. Let's call label bug. Are we gonna give this bug label? Okay, where do I use the money? Bunch of money. See, that's when stuff happens. What? We definitely missed it, what I was looking for there. Money. What? But what has that to do with the removing state? Okay, if I click on the erase, it's called start removing. Removing. Grid visualizer. Hmm. I wonder if it's this. Is the removing structure using this, or the removing state using this? I guess. Yeah. Weird. Yeah. This needs to be called. It can't return here. I guess. I guess that's what it is. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. No, not this. Wait a second. Brother. Okay, now I understand why I had that there. Obviously, I need to have some, what's it called? I need to do something to the money field before I do anything else. There was a name, a specific expression for what I have to do with the money variable, but I can't remember it right now. I think the money variable is here. Previous time scale. Definitely needs to be a property. Come on. I think it goes like this. You do. Oh my god, why did I even use this if I'm gonna delete it anyways? I think you do just... Does this work? Is it allowed? Is it not illegal? I don't know. Or do I have to say value here? I keep forgetting how this works. No. No. How about I just do... No, wait, I'll leave it like this. And it's just... Oh my god, I keep forgetting how to do this. I think it's like this. Or is it value? Here. I keep forgetting. I think it's value. Yeah. What did I do wrong? I'm doing something wrong here. Let's help. It doesn't seem to help. What are you even talking about? Oh, that makes sense. It was always a float. I just made it an int for some reason. Okay. Got it. I wonder if that already fixed the problem or not. Probably not, because it means I can keep buying stuff. Let me just double check. What did I do? Oh my dearest. Oh, good. Actually, it's fixed. I would just like to have some kind of feedback that it can't purchase. I'm wondering if I should add a new state for that. No, I might not even need that. I can just... Oh, I still have it. I think now if I do this, it's probably gonna not stop me from buying stuff. Yeah. It's not stopping me from buying stuff. Okay, so all of this needs to run still, so I can't return here, but I need to kind of oh, let me just try if it really still doesn't work. Yeah, it really does not work. Start removing. I do wonder if this runs. Whoops. Whoopsie. It only runs once, which is very interesting. It only runs once. Well, that makes sense because I'm only pressing the button once. I'm silly. And then it goes on the action, right? And then calls the action of the current building state, which is the moving state. So you have to check to on action on the moving state. All of this needs to happen. However, okay, I think this just tells me I need to make this check somewhere else. Probably, on the placement state. Where am I even changing into the placement state? I should probably stop it right here. Oh no. Now I remember why I did it, where I did it, because I don't have to purchase price. Okay, we have the ID. But I have this. You don't have enough money to do some apply feedback. Oh, there's art starting. Oops, I can snooze it. Haha, bye. Uh-oh. Oh, this only happens once and then I keep having it. It needs to be rechecked. This needs to be rechecked somewhere else. While we're in the loop of the placement. Is there an update in the state placement state? I don't know if I want that. What if I just do this? Oh, brother. right? Uh, hmm. Oh no. Okay, we can't do it in here. Can't do it in here. Then we have to. Okay, fuck. Yeah, it does. What is your problem? Oh my god. Okay. No, I can't snooze anymore. Okay, there's gonna be a little Etsy ad. I won't do anything interesting, I promise. I never do. Uh, let's try if this does something. I feel like this will be null. Like it's gonna be null. Yep. And so it is. Um, how am I adding it to the shop? I have to do this whole thing. This is a weird way of doing it, but it's all I can think of right now. Come on. Oha, 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 look at that, look at that. We add money. And now it works again. Woo, it kind of looks ugly, the code, but no one's gonna see the code. So it just doesn't matter if it looks ugly. They're quite lazy, then don't walk from the beginning of the node. Mm. Interesting. That was a weird little bug that we had just now, but I'm gonna pretend that I didn't see it. How's it coming along? I wonder what this is. Okay. Okay, let's try to recreate it. Fine, I will look at it. So what did we have? We had reception and spots, and then we just spent all the money, and then I deleted this, and then we tried to put it back, and we tried to put anything back while we have zero money. It says we don't have enough money, and then it looks different. I get it why it does that. It's because I said it in the shop. But then it looks different as when I run out of money while I'm placing, and I don't know if that's good. I'm wondering if it would be better to maybe actually just move out of the placement state instead of just doing the placement validity. Building state. I think we're always in the placement system when it gets set. I think I should rather call stop placement, honestly, when that happens. Instead of what I did. Stop placement. I wonder. But he doesn't know about the placement system. But the placements, they do subscribe. Wait, was it that done before? Let me check. Building input manager on exit. When does this get invoked again? Here. You know, I can just add it. Why not? I'm a little worried though. Because... Oh yeah, it just needs to pass itself. Duh. And then here, we just do it. So now... we do this. Might be a bad idea. We're gonna find out. Ah yeah, it immediately removes... Yeah, okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't like that. Okay. For now, we're just gonna remove it from the shop. So it looks the same in both scenarios. Also, I don't like that it starts off in building mode. We're changing that. Yeah. Now we can no longer afford anything. Oha. Okay, this is new. Oh, that's why. Okay. Oh my god. And I can delete everything, even though we have 0 money, which is good. Oh, we don't have enough money. What do? We add a new reception. I wonder why no one's coming. It's open. Why are no more people coming? Is it a spawner? We just had to continuous. Oh, it's because we don't have a spot. My own rules. Okay. Hmm. It's that material, isn't it? It needs to be false by default. It's a game object. There you go. I think that does it. I might even get rid of it anyways. Or I'll definitely change it. It's not what it's gonna look like at the end. Right, what about money? You don't know enough money. Money adding. Opening camping. Okay. So good. I think this is fixed. Oh, hello, Mega Cool Man. How are you doing? I am working on my project, on my little main project. Yeah. And I'm very tired today. I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's tough. And I just finished something. Let's run it again from the menu side of things, just to stay fresh. Which is superbus, amazing, great, the best main menu that has ever existed, the prettiest, the most sophisticated. It's amazing. It's so pretty. I'm gonna win so many contests. It's supposed to be a management simulation type, construction type, cozy game with a theme of campsites. So you're building your perfect. I think that's what I call it in English. Or is it called a camping? It's supposedly you're building the campsite. You know, you put the buildings like the receptions, the lavatories, whatever. You put the camping spots where people can put up their tents or whatever, and then you like add all of the important stuff, and it's just like, yeah, kind of like that. But it's very early, so it barely has anything, and also just kind of don't really have. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, no, I don't have any structure in my order of implementation. I kind of do what I feel like. Um, no survival crafting farm game. We definitely need more of those. Crafting survival. Well, no, I think it's not something like that. Not gonna be something like that. Definitely not survival. Well, it's more like money management. But I do agree that those are also very fun. The danger of me is when I think too much of another fun idea, I might actually go over to that one, but I'm trying not to. But damn, yeah. I imagine that must be pretty fun to make like an open world kind of survival game. I am trying to make this a simple thing because I'm trying to follow the advice that you're often given that you're going to just finish a project. Do all parts of a project because usually I always do the same parts of a project, which is the beginning, and then I quit it. So I'm trying to gain experience with this. However, the genre you mentioned, I think, really interesting as well. And it's fine. It's fine about the joking. It's fine. I'm going to be strong. I'm not going to be submit to the temptations of new project ideas. I mean, I will definitely. I just did this the other day. I didn't work on the game since last Wednesday, the stream, because I was just making myself a hairband. I just felt like it. And like it took a long time. Oh, I'm gonna show you. I don't have that camera for nothing. It took. Oh no, please! I'm so scared that everything is gonna fall off. Like, it took a long time to sew all of these sequins on, but it was so relaxing. Oh, okay, I'm scared to break it. Alrighty, let's just stop those people from. Since I just finished a big thing, I don't know if I should start a new thing. Those fall off all the time. Yes, they do. Especially when you are a novice at it like me. This is literally the first thing I ever did. The first time I ever did that. And those that do fall off are. I don't know how they are made, but definitely not by people like me. I mean, technically, I'm wearing something that has them right now. And there's still a lot of them. Wait, can you see this? This is a very old shirt. I never go shopping. This is a really old shirt. And it still almost has all of them, but then it's very obviously it's done professionally, so they're not gonna there's like 2 or 3 that fell off here and there, but those, yeah, they're gonna I feel like they're gonna fall off when I look at them just too intensely. So please, that counts for you, all of you too. Don't look at them intensely either, because then they're gonna fall off. Anyways, that's my point on how easily I get sidetracked. Anyways, I don't know what to do. So that's what I have. What I just played. That's all that I have right now. And I want to change the camera movement. That's another thing I wanted to do. Because right now, it's just... Where is it? I think it's 2 is the middle mouse button. Yeah, 2. And this was a tutorial I followed, by the way. Some of the codes in here are based off of tutorials, and then I start to insert my own code. And before I can do that, I need to analyze it. So the camera controller was from a tutorial that I followed. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to... Vector 3 point up. I wanna turn it into an orbit and not just a left and right thingy. And I'm so bad with rotations and math and like this, all of that. And Unity already does make it easy, but okay, vector 3 dot up. I'm just gonna experiment and see what happens if I use a different one. Point forward. That's part of the learning process, to just change random things and see how it affects. Aha, that's very interesting. I wanted to make all 3 of those. Okay, this is the forward. And what's the other one? We have up, forward. Sorry about that. Is down different? What's back? Let's try down. I mean, technically, I could also just follow a tutorial for the orbiting thing. But, you know, why not just try to figure it out? Oha! This is certainly different than what I did. Oh, what's the back? Interesting. Oh wow, this is one of the most fun infuriating things. Okay, so now how do I combine these? So it was up. What if I just This is gonna be weird, but what if I just add? Just don't laugh at me. I'm just effing around and finding out. It's a learning curve. Okay, I'm forgetting something here. This bracket. Okay, I need to. I have another bracket here, and now it should be. And then this bracket, and let's have two brackets, and then another bracket. This is gonna be very weird. Rotations are weird, man. Linear algebra is weird. Also, like the thing I had in class was so basic. It was like we just literally just had to do matrix calculations. Okay, so the other one is not there. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I guess it doesn't like that. I guess it doesn't work. Oh, right, parentheses. Fine. You tell me how to combine vectors. Let me think about this logically. Like that's even possible. I have this vector, and I want to add it to them. Oh, what if I just add it here? I don't know. Oh, I was so stupid. I didn't even change it when I did the other thing. Okay, I just have to try. Because I just made it faster. Uh, that's not really what I meant. Hmm. Nah, I'm seeing pie. I'm out of here. Nope, nope, nope. We're not doing anything with pie. Okay, obviously this is not the right thing. What is this? Let's just try this out. Hmm. Hmm. Certainly interesting. It does not like when I do that. What even is a quaternion? Oh damn, yeah, my phone died, I guess. A Bicam. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't put it in a power bank. Um I'm gonna have to put more research into that. But we're not doing that now. Not now. So, I'm just gonna. I think I'm gonna end this for today. It's a natural ending point, I feel like. And my phone died, so that's a good a good opportunity. I will probably be back. Oh no, on Wednesday. I don't know if I can be back. I don't know if I can on next Wednesday because I wasn't supposed to have course in the evening, but we got an email by our professor, and he was like, "Actually, we'll put the course on Wednesday in the evening." So I don't know when I will be back. At the latest, probably next Saturday, though. Yeah, we're gonna see about that. So, thank you everyone for being here. With that, I'm going to be leaving. Yeah, sorry, my brain is not working right now. I definitely need something, need a break or something. Bye, bye, everyone. I was just waving to the camera, but the camera is dead, so I should not be doing that. Bye, everyone. Thank you for being here. See you next week. Bye.